Today, I'm going to talk about refugees issue. Individual or group of people who are forced to flee their home country to avoid war, persecution, and natural disasters are known as refugees. Government repression and fighting are the two of the main reasons why people leave their home countries. The rulers inhuman atrocities against their citizens will force the people to leave their country, much like North Korea, which exploit the suffering of their people for the benefit of the upper class. Secondly, the war that took place in the country caused the safety of the people to be in danger, and the government was unable to provide for their welfare needs, so that it could lead to death. Innocent civilians will be victims of incident, and enemy forces will be able to get what they want. People's well-being is deteriorating, forcing them to leave their homeland. Refugees will have an effect on globalization. Refugees leaving their home country use the ocean as a crossing point to enter other countries' borders. They will be at sea for days or months before reaching their destination. Owing to a lack of food and personal needs, they will be in abnormal state of health. Owing to a lack of nutrients in their bodies, inadequate food can cause them to suffering dangerous disease. The disease can spread to other nations, causing other countries' health to become infected. H1N1 is one of the diseases borne by refugees when they cross national boundaries. This will have a significant effect on other nations, as infectious disease brought by refugees will spread rapidly. Refugees are the biggest international problem faced by every country on this issue. I suggest that we must find a way for us to help these refugees to get on with their life. My suggestion is that we need to provide special settlement for those who flee their country but for reasonable reasons such as government brutality and war. Every country involved in the refugee problem should take this initiative to help them. Those who were forced to flee their country did not have any personal information and personal need to survive. This will make it difficult for them to survive and even worse be used by human trafficking syndicate. Most countries do not accept refugees because they are worried that dangerous disease will spread and crime will increase as a result of the arrival of refugees. To help the refugees survive, we must work together to find a way to resolve the refugees issue. Each especially made settlement must have the necessary equipment for the refugees to survive and provide their own personal home. The United Nations must take the initiative to protect these refugees from the atrocities of their country.